Hi guys, Joy here, your real minimalist, living everyday average minimalist life. So I spent all morning planning at a cafe, making some lesson plans for the university class that I'll be teaching come first Friday of September. I am really excited, but I still wanted to bring you guys my minimalist content. Today I'll just do like a quick general home tour again because there has been like a little bit of changes. I bought a swimsuit and then I went to like a really nice hotel pool. This past weekend we stayed, me and my friend, it's like a really glamorous, beautiful girl. We got a place at a hotel just so we can use their pool. It's a very long story, but I don't know. So I've been eating a lot. I had a great time swimming and then looking cute in a new bikini because I already had a bikini, but I already shipped it in those 2 boxes. But she wanted to go swimming and I was like, I totally want to go swimming. So again, I'm being a minimalist, not because I hate looking cute or that I want to like always like make the right decisions. I mean, I do want to make the right decisions, but sometimes if I want to go to a pool and I don't have swimsuit because I shipped the ones that I already have, I'll buy a new pair of swimsuit. I already decluttered the bikini top because they didn't have a lot of the options that I want as far as swimsuits go. I think it's maybe because it's like end of summer, so a lot of people had already bought up all the swimsuits. So at the store that I was looking at, they really didn't have a lot. So I bought a style that I thought was really cute, but that's not really me. So I decluttered the top, but I kept the bikini bottom. So essentially what I'm saying is there has been a little bit of changes, and I'll mention a little bit of that through the video, but it'll just be like a pretty quick general home tour. And you can see a lot of my stuff is already pretty much empty. But yeah, I gotta get back to the cafe and I just want to give you guys a video so you can enjoy. This might be the last video that I make at this apartment, but in any case, without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, so we will start right here from the entryway. There's my shoes and this little bag that I bring to the gym all the time, and my indoor running shoes, each one of them wrapped away in a plastic bag. So, hey y'all, over here there's nothing. Nothing in here. Nothing except for my cleaning stick. I like to put water tissue on there, but I don't have that anymore. So that will be decluttered before I move. And over here is just some items that was in the apartment before I said hi again. And over here is my kitchen. No laundry because I ran them. And this band, there's nothing in here. Nothing in my cabinet except for this left one, which we will see. Oh well, yeah, there's this plastic bag that I use all the time. Over here is a bunch of pre-packed food and some Spam and this leftover rice. I'm not trying to eat the whole thing of rice. I'm trying to leave a little bit and then I will cook that with like a little bit of rice. I'm trying to cut down on my carb intake. It's my salt and pepper, which will be decluttered. Here's some cooking stuff, kitchen scissors, knife, pots, and bowl, which I used this morning for cooking, and I'm literally completely almost out of the dish soap. So I added some water so I can keep using it. I'm gonna declutter that obviously once I'm done using that. And there's nothing in here. I have decluttered the mold killing Clorox, and I used up all my detergent, so that's that. And over here, again, nothing in the cabinets. This is real life minimalism, y'all. And then we'll move over here. What do you really want? You should ask yourself that, because I asked myself that. So over here is some ice that I bought. I know I bought ice maker, but yeah, I don't know. I just don't like the time and effort it takes to make them. I know it's bad, but for now, I got other more important things to do that allows me to make more money eventually. So that's what I focus on now. Some ice Americano that I could drink whenever I feel like. There's a bunch of groceries. I haven't showed you guys how I cook, but I think you can tell just by looking at my fridge. So there was a little bit of Spam over there, and I have tofu, some veggies, like green and some other colorful veggies. So usually I'll get like a broccoli or asparagus and another type of vegetable. Go with that, and some chicken breast that I can cook. What is this? Oh, empty plastic bag. Look at that. I need to throw that out. Sriracha sauce. And my Brita. I need to put some water in that. Here's my trash bag. And I've been hanging it up here just because like I have no one to impress in this apartment. So over here, just a bunch of miscellaneous items. This bag, makeup bag that I took out from my backpack over there. so I can put on some makeup for this video or fix my makeup. And this mask I use for the gym, it's actually cloth type, so this lasts me a longer time, I think, so I like that. And this is my regular everyday mask. Some iced coffee that I got earlier today. Here's my hydrangea. She needs to be repotted ASAP. Here's a straw that I use for the coffee that's in my fridge. Some toilet paper. Excuse me. Over here, my island. I didn't show it in my last home tour, but it's empty. Everything's emptied out. I have some work supplies in there, which I also decluttered some more. And over here is my living room. You can see my bedding. I'm not going to keep the floor mattress, as I said before in my previous, most recent house tour video. Here's my charger. And over here, there used to be cactus wall art, but the wallpapers has been like that because when I first moved into this apartment, they asked me if I wanted a new AC for free, and I said, yeah, sure, why not? But the thing is, before it was like this rectangular aircon that was actually hiding this thing as well. But when they came in and put in the new AC, which is nice, but they messed up the wallpaper, and I asked the landlord if he can fix the wallpaper, which he didn't. Again, he doesn't do anything usually, even if I ask him, so one of the reasons why I'm moving out. Ooh, nice view, hello. And over here, you might have wondered what this place is, if I had anything stashed away in here, but nothing. The previous tenant had like a bunch of trash in here. I never bothered taking that out, but there was like a bunch of trash that I took out before. It's just boiler room. It's got this little shutters. I don't know why, but this part reminds me of New York. And there's like a different heating gauge thing. So there's really nothing in there. Where here is my Joe. And my mountains. I call them my mountains now, I guess. Yeah, it's my cactus. I've been kind of scared to commit to a living creature for over a decade, so he's my first in a very long time, and you know, yeah, I love my cactus. What can I say?